Hey guys, today we're going to be briefly explaining every AI service AWS has to offer. These services are super useful because they can automate tasks that normally we humans have to do, and you can instead focus your time on the other aspects of your business or application. Now today I'll just be explaining the general idea behind each one, but I plan on covering each one in more detail in coming weeks. So subscribe if you'd like to see that, and let's dive right in. First up, we've got Amazon Personalize. Personalize allows developers to create various personalization experiences, such as specific product recommendations or targeted advertising. For example, if you have a retail business, you could use Personalize to decide what the user sees on your home page based on their previous preferences. Next up, we've got Amazon Forecast. Now with Forecast, you start giving data such as inventory levels, sales, etc., and then Amazon Forecast will generate a forecast using the same algorithms that Amazon.com uses. Let's say your forecast shows that you're going to see a 50% increase in customers in 3 months. You can use that information to allocate more of your budget towards advertising and inventory levels. Now we've got Amazon Rekognition. Rekognition analyzes an image and can extract information from it, such as text, faces, and can even detect celebrities. You could utilize Rekognition in the same way that Google Photos can detect the same person in different pictures, despite their age or surrounding being completely different. Then there's Amazon Kendra. Kendra uses natural language to make it a lot easier to find the content you're looking for in websites, documents, and data stores. If you have a large company database full of various articles, Kendra can make it a lot easier to find the answer you're looking for, rather than scrolling through endless pages. Next up, we've got Amazon Textract. Textract takes any written document, from as simple as a note to a friend or as complex as a federal tax form, and can extract the text from it. It also works for images and tables in the document. The next service we've got is Amazon Comprehend. Comprehend can give a variety of insights on a document, such as identifying PII, terms, whether or not the words are positive or negative, etc. For example, if you passed customer reviews through Comprehend, it can pass all the negative ones for human review using A2I. There's also Amazon Comprehend Medical, which is pretty much Amazon Comprehend except directed towards data such as medical reports, doctor's notes, etc. Then there's Amazon Translate, pretty straightforward. You can integrate it into your applications to accurately translate from one language to another. Then there's Amazon Fraud Detector. Fraud Detector is exactly what it sounds like. It helps you catch online fraud such as creating fake accounts, suspicious payments, or free trial abuse. Next, we've got Amazon Lex. Lex makes it easy to create chatbots that can often automate simple tasks. For example, when you call a store, you often encounter a chatbot that plays messages such as press 1 to return an item, or press 2 to hear about current sales and promotions, and so on and so on. You could create one of these for your own business to save time answering simple questions. Then we've got Amazon Polly. Polly uses text-to-speech to convert text into lifelike speech in many different languages. I've used Polly several times in my Alexa skills and would definitely recommend it. Then we've got Amazon Transcribe. You can think of Transcribe as the opposite of Polly. Polly converts text into speech, Transcribe converts speech into text. You can use it for things like meetings and customer calls, and you can also gain other insights to improve factors such as agent productivity or customer engagement. Next, we've got Amazon Augmented AI, or A2I. A2I allows for human review of machine learning predictions based on business rules you define. So for example, let's say you've got a pipeline where you just textracted words from a document. You could use A2I to send documents matching certain criteria for a staff member to review. Next, we have Amazon HealthLake. You can input unstructured data such as medical records or lab reports, and HealthLake can identify trends and make predictions. For example, if you have a ton of scattered data about a patient, ranging from, medical reports, diagnosis, to prescriptions, HealthLake can help make sense of the data and help you decide on your next step in treating the patient. Now we've got Amazon CodeGuru. CodeGuru detects security issues and also offers suggestions to improve code in a repository. For example, let's say you have all of your projects checked into GitHub. You can use CodeGuru to scan through it and identify your most expensive lines of code and critical errors. The next one we've got is Amazon Panorama, which is basically security cameras integrated with AWS. You can add them to your on-premise locations, and you can easily track what's going on at your facilities around the world. We also have Amazon Lookout for equipment. This service analyzes data from your equipment, like pressure in a generator, and can quickly detect warning signs that could lead to machine failure. For example, if a key component of your assembly line is about to malfunction, Lookout will let you know and you can quickly resolve the issue efficiently. There's also Amazon Monitron, which is similar to Lookout for equipment, where AWS provides factory equipment integrated with Monitron so you can easily monitor your machinery and reduce downtime. And finally, we also have Amazon Lookout for metrics and Amazon Lookout for vision. And these are pretty similar to Amazon Lookout for equipment, except for metrics and your product respectively. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you liked it, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite AWS AI service is. See you in the next one.